Hello everyone, hope you have an amazing day. Welcome you all to an easy learning for primary channel. Students, today we are heading with our favorite season rain poem for class 1. So let us get started with a new topic. Refer book English Bharati Standard 1. Unit 2, poem number 1, Rain, page number 14. Students, let us recite the poem now. The rain is falling all around, it falls on field and tree. It rains on the umbrellas here and on the ships at sea. Poet Robert Stevenson. Now let me explain you the poem. We all are aware of rainy season. Yes or no? Yes. When the raindrops release from the clouds, it falls on field and tree and on our umbrellas along on the ships at sea. Now we will read the poem from our textbook. Unit 2, 1. Rain. Number 1. Look, listen, sing and talk about the picture. Let us read out the poem now. The rain is falling all around. It falls on the field and tree. It rains on the umbrellas here and on the ships at sea. Poet Robert Stevenson. Number 2 activity. Look and say. R-A-I-N, rain. F-A-L-L-I-N-G, falling. A-R-O-U-N-D, around. F-I-E-L-D, filled. T-R-E-E, tree. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A, umbrella. S-H-I-P, ship. S-E-A-C. Let us proceed to the question answer round. Question number 3. Name the things that you see in the picture. In this picture above, we can see some of the things. Let us name them. Very first is the blue umbrella, clouds, green umbrella, tree, another tree, ship and sea with the raindrops. Let us head to the question number 4 now. Where does the rain fall? So let us see, where does the rain fall? Rain fall all around, on the field, on the trees. Where do you see the ship? We can see the ship at the sea. Suggestion of various topic related to primary would be appreciated. A huge thank you for watching this video. Please give thumbs up, subscribe and ring the bell icon with the comment below. Thank you.